Okay, here is a wireless Bluetooth portable speaker from VEENAX, and you will find links down below in the description text to where you can buy these, and you'll also find a 30% off code there, so you can buy this portable speaker really cheap at the moment, so go check that out. But let's open this box and see what's in it. Quite simple box, as you can see. There is some technical specification, but we open it up and see what's in it. Here we have the speaker itself, kind of small, not so heavy, but let's see this a bit later. Let's see what's in the box first. What's more in the box, we can find two cables here. Here is a charging cable, a micro USB cable that you connect to the speaker to charge it, and this end will go into a computer or a charger to charge this wireless Bluetooth speaker. And here we have an audio cable. If you don't want to use Bluetooth, you can connect this to your headphone jack in a smartphone, for example, and this end into the speaker. And what's more in the box, we have some documentation. We have a user guide. That's nice, really nice. And we have some welcome message from VEENAX and contact information and service and so on. And at the back we can see a quick start guide, how to pair it or connect it and so on. Looks neat. And let's see the speaker itself then. Here we have the speaker. And as I said, it's not so heavy. It's have some kind of rubber on it, so it feels nice. And you have some symbols up here. You have the Bluetooth symbol. We have a forward, reward, and plus and minus for volume control. And we have play and pause. And at the bottom we have an on-off button. That's cool. And we have the line out port here. And we have the micro USB port here to charge it. Feels nice. So it will be interesting to try this out and see how good the sound quality is for this. It's very portable and light and small, so it's easy to have with you in a bag, for example. Nice. So go check the links down below in the description text where you can buy this, and also see the 30% off code there, so you can buy it really cheap. Okay, bye.